Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser and I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter. It's going to be very simple and you can do it too. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1AAuto.com. Thanks. So we're going to open up our glove box. On the side over here, there's a little piston. All you do is grab it, pull it off to the side. You're going to squeeze the two sides of your glove box in. They have little tabs. When you pull them in, they move away from the up top part of the dash. Then you can just pull it out straight towards you. Now that our glove box is out of the way, we can see where the cabin air filter is. It's located right here. It's very simple to get to. All you do is you just grab this, pull it straight out. As you can tell, the cabin air filter in this is extremely filthy and it's well past time to be replaced. So thank goodness 1A Auto has this part. I'm going to go ahead and install it. So to take this out, you want to use gloved hands. Of course, this is disgusting. I'm just going to grab it. Pay special attention to which way you take it out, okay? Wow, that's nasty. Whew. All right, so with it being out, you can see that the fin side faces upward. When we put in our new one, we're going to do the same exact thing. It's going to look just like this. So here we are, friends, a quick product comparison for you. Right here, we have our cabin air filter out of our 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. As you can tell, it's absolutely disgusting. And over here, we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. They're both exactly the same shape. I don't want to touch it up against there because, well, I don't want to contaminate this brand new part. But as you can tell, it looks exactly the same, in exception of I'm not going to be breathing in nasty, gross disgustingness with this one. With that said, I don't see any reason why I wouldn't want to install this into my vehicle, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1AAuto.com. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to take our brand new quality 1A Auto part. We're going to install it into the tray. I'm just going to go down like this, right along the edge. There we are. Down, down. Okay. Make sure it's all the way down, all the way around here. Just use a small pocket screwdriver. There's little, little lips right here. You just got to push the filter down underneath those. It locks them down in. And that way there, the filter can't move around and possibly let any debris or potential mouse crud past and through your vents so you're breathing them in. There we are. Let's go ahead and install this tray. Okay, so it's time to install the tray. We've got our fins facing up. Our writing, Toyota, up, facing up. Everything looks good. Just gonna slide it right in just like this. There we are. On to the next step. So along the bottom of the glove box, you got a couple little hooks here. Okay? They're going to sit right along here. So I'm going to set my hooks into there. Okay? We've got our little piston here. This just makes it so the glove box goes up and down nice and slow. It sits onto this piton right here. So I'm going to bring it up. Push those up. I'm going to grab my piston. I'm going to slide it right on. There we are. Bring it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.